my name is Hannah Bloom. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be rearranging my house. When you rearrange your space, it just feels so much better. Asher left a while ago. When he comes back, the house is gonna look completely different because we got the fall decorations out and things are gonna be moved around. It's going to be a non-talking, just rockin' situation. So let's go.
Don't go to bed tonight, 'cause I know you've been upset all day, love, and I'm already on my way, love. Oh. I've been paranoid, you're like a Polaroid, picture perfect but there's darkness you just can't avoid, yeah. And if you need to scream, well you can talk to me. It's pretty simple, doesn't have to be a movie scene. And when it's raining out, I lay my jacket down, and you can hold my crown, 'cause chivalry is dying with me. Yeah. Don't go to bed tonight, 'cause I know you've been upset all day, love, and I'm already on my way, love. Don't go to bed tonight. I know it's gonna sound cliche, love, but the silver lining's on the way, love. Losing my breath talking about politics and death, but if that really was the threat, then we'd be talking about something new. Don't get me wrong, I got them demons too. Sometimes it keeps me up at night, but this is bigger than just me and you, yeah. 'Cause I get paranoid, sometimes I talk too much. I underestimate my overestimations, mild-mannered and impatient, think too much in moderation, throw myself into the music, but the music's just vacation. Springtime sadness, holiday, words to make you feel okay. Oh, do you feel okay? Springtime sadness, holiday, words to make you feel okay, yeah. Do you feel okay? Don't go to bed tonight, 'cause I know you've been upset all day, love, and I'm already on my way, love. Don't go to bed tonight. I know it's gonna sound cliche, love, but the silver lining's on the way, love.
Sometimes I don't wanna be here anymore, but I cannot help this feeling that there's much left to explore. And sometimes I can't help but feel the way I do, but when I'm with you I forget that I ever was so blue.
You were like a light for me, keep on shining bright for me. When I'm in the dark, you ignite a spark, ready with that star guiding me. I would suffer silently, till I saw your vibrancy. How could I deny we could be so right? Open up my heart, time we'll see. I've been so caught in that darkness, I can't just forget it all, stuck in my past. But I don't wanna keep living like that, but you're bringing my rhythm right back. Ain't another next to us here to react. Just fears that we acting out, ain't no fact in it. But you're gonna have to understand just why I've been lacking trust. But I don't lack in trust, still we don't have to rush. Look into your eyes and I feel alive, falling right back in love.
Sometimes I don't wanna be here anymore, but I cannot help this feeling that there's much left to explore. And sometimes I can't help but feel the way I do. But when I'm with you, I forget that I ever was so blue.
Cause when I'm with you I just fly though. Open up my eyes though, grab onto my hand, follow out the time zone. Do you see the way that time slows? When I'm with you I'm stifled, trying to quit you, unrivaled. How the mind feel like I'm idle till I kiss you. This here is fated, there ain't no mistaking. I never had to choose, cause when I'm with you I forget that I ever was so blue.
Found myself smiling more. The moment you leave, I feel down again. I talk to myself on the floor just to feel less alone. I swear that I'm trying my best.
Alright, well, I didn't do much rearranging. I was questioning if I should rearrange my bed, but I ain't feeling it today. That might happen, but just not today. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, stay for more. Bye.
Go, you give a little love with a little sun.